Yo, people, what's up? I'm back again with another CODICTS add-on. This time it's for the Voxel theme, and we're going to be looking at Voxel Edit Pro. Now, as per usual, very little information on our site. I was hoping the pictures might do the talking, but possibly they don't. So let's quickly go over everything in this video. Close that. Obviously, if you want to purchase this, head over to CODICTS.com, Voxel Edit Pro. It's now available. Let's just jump into what it does. So here it is. It's set up on our Voxel demo site. You can check this out by going to voxel.codicts.com. And this is the Voxel theme by 27 Collective. So what we've done so far is we've allowed, well, let's just go ahead. As you can see, I've added a select all button here. When I'm clicking the select all, it's going to select all those listings for me. What I can do with this plugin is it gives me multiple options. For this one here, I've added an edit all button, which has all the fields. So for instance, if I wanted to add all, I don't know, I make all the 4 listings that are selected, a bar category, I can do so and click save. What else I've done here as well is I've also added multiple buttons. As you can see, they pop up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can do an individual field. So for instance, I want to update all these countries, I can do so. Now, how this works is, for instance, you can also obviously select 2 if you wanted to. If you only wanted to edit 2, you can also select 1. For instance, let's just select 1. We want to update the category for dens. We're going to turn this into a fitness and health place. So I pick my categories, I click save. I click save and I wait for the update. As you will see here, the feed will auto-refresh after the update is done, so you can see the data that you've changed. Now, this plugin obviously is going to be great if you're looking to edit data around your site, and even if you're doing an overview of your site and saying, oh, that this, for instance, this listing doesn't have a country, let's go ahead and add a country to this one to make sure your site's obviously working perfectly, blah, blah, blah. Click save, and obviously, again, you will see the feed refresh after the save has taken place. So that's how it works. Obviously, this demo is not great. Some of this doesn't even make sense, but I've just stuck this together for you to give you some sort of rough idea. User case scenarios, there's plenty of user case scenarios for this. Currently, one of the sites we're using it on, we have something similar to this, where we have all the data in an Excel looking sort of layout, and then they can easily edit and edit their data as they go. So anyway, let's just jump into it and look at how I've set this up so you can have an idea of how the plugin works. First up on the actual page itself, I've gone ahead and put the select all button here. I've gone ahead and choose places, as that's the listing type I'm dealing with on this one. I can then pick all the different fields I want. So you can have any field from the listing, including images, location, etc. For this select all button up here, like I showed you, I wanted to add multiple fields. So I've added multiple fields to it. And then down here, I've got the selector 1. Selector 1 being, that's for this particular select all, and I'm also targeting the one on the checkbox fields. Gives you options to hide stuff, etc. And obviously styling side of things as well. That's how the select all buttons work. Now, for this select all button that you would have seen next to my title, things are a little bit different. What I've done on this one, again, I've selected places, but obviously I've only selected one field for this. And then on the buttons, I've clicked to hide the select all. And I'm using that same selector again, the same selector ID 1, meaning that everything's going to work together. The reason I'm hiding the select all button is because I've already got the select all button up here. There's no need for me to have that as well. I've added an icon, and that's about it. So that's how it works on the page front side of view. And then obviously, what else do we have? We have the card itself. Now, for the card itself, we need to add the checkbox field. Now, both of these, there's 2 widgets involved with this, and they're both Elementor widgets we've created for you. So the checkbox field and the button itself. So you can see I've placed the checkbox field here already. You're going to have your styling. You can style however you wish to and make it as big or small as you like. On the checkbox value, what you want to do in the value is stick the post ID, so that our system can know that which post you're trying to edit. And again, I'm using selector 1 here because that's what I'm using across that page. So that's it. Once you've set up that, that's it. That's all you need to do. Stick that to the page. Actually, one thing I should mention on the page, if you want the auto refresh feed to work, the feature that we've got within our plugin, you would need to add a search bar for your feed. You can hide this search bar, but this search bar does need to be connected for that feature to work. So yeah, that's it. Quick overview. Voxel editor, bulk. No, what was it? Voxel Edit Pro. Sorry. That's the new one. The new Voxel Edit Pro by CODICTS. CODICTS is a third-party paid plugin, just so you all know. Obviously, if any of you want to purchase that, head over to CODICTS.com and you will find it along with another 24 add-ons for the Voxel theme. So don't forget to come and check those out. Don't forget, guys, if you want to become a boss, come and join the community, the CODICTS community Facebook group. Meet like-minded people, ask questions, earn karma points. People who help people out in our group will earn karma points and get freebies. So come and join the community, come say hello. Ask any questions you've got. If you've got any pre-sale questions, please reach out to us at info@codicts.com. If our plugin doesn't do anything you want and you're after feature requests, please hit us up at info@codicts.com. If you download a plugin and you have any issues, just sign in and head over to support and open yourself a support ticket. So that's it for this one, guys. Voxel Edit Pro. We also just launched Facebook login for Voxel. And there's a couple others that are coming out very soon for Voxel. So stay tuned for more. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you, guys. Goodbye. Now I've got some issue with my computer at the moment, so just wait a second while I finish this video. But I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.